How to make bank transfer on Monzo. You can send a bank transfer to anyone with a United Kingdom bank account. You will need the name of the person or company you're sending money to, their account number and sort code. Transfers should happen instantly, but can sometimes take up to 4 hours. Tap the payments icon in the menu bar. Tap Pay. Tap Pay by bank transfer and follow the instructions. If you want to make a transfer over 10,000 pounds, you'll need to get in touch with us to raise your limits. Raising your limit can take a few hours. You can also make international transfers with our Wise integration. If you want to follow the links, visit monzo.com website, and then help articles, payments, getting started. Now you want to find making a bank transfer, and this is the name of the article.